What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your active no status on Instagram. And this is useful if you don't want to reply to someone in a current time and you simply don't want them to see that you're online, right? So you can have some peace, right? So how do you do this? Once you're inside Instagram, guys, you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side on your profile here, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says messages and store replies. Click on that, and then you have the section that says who can see you're online. You want to click on show activity status, and here you will see that mine is currently on. So in order to turn this off so no one can see that you're online, just simple tap on that and it will turn it off. Now in some cases you might have this off by default, so if it's a case where you want to turn it on, in the other case all you have to do is just toggle that on. But that's how you can easily disable your active status on Instagram. Really hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, comment below if you appreciate this tutorial, and also subscribe to the channel so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.